Assalamu everyone, welcome to Mama Loop YouTube channel. Today I am sharing my mango lassi recipe with you. Let's make it. Soak 1 tablespoon basil seeds in half cup of water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add half cup of whole milk and leave for 10 minutes. Take 2 mangoes and peel them and cut them into small pieces. Put the mango pieces in a blender jar. 2 cups Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream and 1 cup milk. Half cup caramel sauce. Blend on high speed until a smoothie smooth and creamy. Add the basil seeds mixture and mix well with a spoon. You can also add half cup of ice cube